Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a motivational letter for an MBA program. What is a motivational letter for an MBA program? A motivational letter for an MBA program is a personal statement or essay, submitted by an applicant to a business school, articulating their reasons for wanting to enroll in the Master of Business Administration or MBA program. This letter provides insight into the applicant's professional goals, academic background, relevant work experiences, and how the MBA program aligns with their future aspirations. It showcases the applicant's motivation, enthusiasm, and the unique qualities they bring to the program. The purpose of the letter is to persuade the admissions committee of the applicant's suitability for the MBA program, highlighting their potential contribution to the school's community and their commitment to leveraging the MBA for career advancement and personal growth. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a motivational letter for an MBA program step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. And then, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also add your contact information like phone number and email address. After that, you must write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Since you have no idea about the recipient's name, it is okay to address it to the office or the educational institution. In this case, the letter is addressed to admissions office. Under it, write the name of the school or educational institution. In this example is Stanford Graduate School of Business. And then, write the address of the school or educational institution. You need to write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing this information, now you can write the subject of the letter. This is not a must, but highly recommended. You can simply write, Motivational letter for MBA program application. And now, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Since you don't know their name, it is just fine to write, Dear Admissions Committee. In the first paragraph, this is where you write about introduction and interest expression. Yes, you need to clearly state your intention to apply for the MBA program. In doing so, you must be immediately signaling your interest. Here is the sample how you write it. I am writing to express my strong interest in applying for the MBA program at Stanford Graduate School of Business. After stating that, you need to mention your educational background. Besides, mention also your work experience. The goal is to briefly establish your suitability for the program. And here is the example. With a background in business administration and management, and relevant work experience at XYZ Corporation, I am eager to pursue an MBA to further enhance my business acumen, leadership skills, and strategic thinking. Sure, you can write something like that. In the second paragraph, now you can elaborate more about your academic and professional background. In this section, you need to discuss your passion for strategic management and leadership. Connect your academic studies and work experiences to your MBA aspirations. This paragraph will showcase your dedication and the logical progression toward further education. If you have no idea what to write in this paragraph, you may simply copy this. Throughout my academic and professional journey, I have developed a passion for strategic management and organizational leadership. My undergraduate studies at the University of California, Berkeley, provided me with a solid foundation, and my professional experience at XYZ Corporation has equipped me with practical insights into the dynamics of the business world. Of course, you need to mention the name of your previous school and company. In the third paragraph, now you can write about the program attraction. Just like in this video, the writer specifies what draws him to Stanford's MBA program. They are including faculty, curriculum, and learning opportunities, demonstrating your informed and deliberate choice. Here is the example. I am drawn to the MBA program at Stanford because of its renowned faculty, rigorous curriculum, and emphasis on experiential learning. And then, write your enthusiasm for particular aspects of the program. You must write in details how it shows alignment with your professional goals and personal interests. You may write something like, I am particularly excited about the opportunity to participate in the global study trips and leverage the Stanford Venture Studio to foster entrepreneurial skills. In the fourth paragraph, this is for purpose and global perspective. In this paragraph, you will need to articulate your aim to expand your understanding of global business. This paragraph is indicating a desire for comprehensive growth. And here is the inspiration how you write it. One of the key reasons for pursuing an MBA is to broaden my perspective and gain a deeper understanding of global business trends. After that, you can highlight the value of the places on diversity and inclusivity in the learning environment. This will be aligning with the educational institution values. For example, you may write, I am impressed by Stanford's commitment to fostering a diverse and inclusive learning environment, which I believe will provide me with the opportunity to collaborate with peers from diverse backgrounds and cultures. In the fifth paragraph, now you can mention your inspiration and professional growth. Here, it is fine to reference alumni success as motivational. It is showing you are researched and resonates with the program's outcomes. You may simply write something like, moreover, the alumni success stories from Stanford have inspired me. After that, you can continue by stating your confidence in how the program will aid your career. This one will be indicating clear objectives and ambitions. You may write, and I am confident that the practical and theoretical knowledge gained from this program will contribute significantly to my professional growth and career advancement. In the sixth paragraph, this is where you write about community contribution and anticipation. Yes, you can express your eagerness to join and contribute to the school community. This one must be showcasing your proactive and collaborative attitude. Here is the example how you write it. I am excited about the prospect of joining the Stanford Graduate School of Business community and contributing to its vibrant academic and social life. Besides, you need to also highlight your expectations from the MBA. You can mention something like balancing intellectual challenge with skill development. And here is how you write it. I am confident that the MBA program will not only challenge me intellectually, but also provide me with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in the dynamic and competitive business landscape. In the seventh paragraph, now you talk about application materials and closure. Yes, you need to list the documents you are submitting. This will be demonstrating thoroughness and attention to the application requirements. Here, you may simply write, enclosed is my completed application form, resume, transcripts, and letters of recommendation. And show your openness to an interview. This is as a signal of readiness for further engagement and eagerness to discuss your candidacy. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. I welcome the opportunity to discuss my application further in an interview. And am available at your earliest convenience. In the last paragraph, you can give your closing appreciation and anticipation. Thank the committee for considering your application. Make it sounds a polite acknowledgement of their effort. You may simply write, thank you for considering my application. And then, end it with a forward-looking statement. This is reinforcing your desire to join and contribute to the program. You may write something like, I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to and benefit from the rich learning environment at Stanford Graduate School of Business. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a motivational letter for an MBA program application, step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.